We're back again to the Doge Miner Rich app. Now we're here for one simple reason and one simple reason only, to see the withdrawal. Ta 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 ta. During the duration since we started the first withdrawal, I added a number of them just to make sure the testing phase is fully complete with different scenarios of the withdrawal. So pretty much it's telling us that the withdrawal will take 30 to 60 working days. Working days is different than 30 to 60 normal days. So pretty much we finished the first 30 working days. We're in the range of completion of the second part of the 30. Still hasn't been finished. Up until now, no payment has been received. And as I said before, don't try the application. Don't use the application. Be patient. I will do an update after the first duration. Now we're in the second duration of the first payment that hasn't been received. Until now, it's in processing. And during the entire duration, I've added a number of payments just in case, so we can ensure during the testing phase, is this application really going to pay or not? Other than this, I'm just collecting the resources daily and waiting until the remaining part of the 60 days of the working days is finished, and then 100% it will show if it's a scam and they're not going to pay anything. Again, 30 to 60 working days haven't been fully completed, they haven't been finished, and there will be another update related to the Rich app. As I said before, be patient and don't use it, and I'll update you. Alright guys, thanks so much, and I'll see you in an upcoming video.